How's everyone doing? It is September 30th, 2024, and looks like the last day of the month, so it's going to be an interesting one. We're going to go ahead and go over Bitcoin price action over the weekend. We're going to go over the SPY, so the general market, and we're going to take a look using the Sigma Profits trading system. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of analysis. As you guys know, we had puts going into the weekend for the SPY. We closed those out. And we took profits on Bitcoin, a little over 66K. And we explained that in our pinned tweet as well as our previous video on YouTube. So our pinned tweet, we spoke about how this is the top side of the range. It would be probably wise for bulls to maybe realize some profits, and for anyone who's sidelined, maybe wait until we break the range and kind of see what's going on. Just for perspective, you can do whatever you want. So let's go ahead and start with the SPY. So here we have a chart of the SPY on the 1 day. As you guys can see, we are still, this is the XPX futures actually, so it stays running. We're still at the resistance point, so it's way better to just kind of wait and see where we're gonna open up at, especially on the SPY. I might as well just bring that one up since that one is usually what's traded for options. And take a look, guys. We need to be closing candles above 575. 22 to be exact. So once we start closing candles above 575.22, we'll go ahead and start looking for calls, and we'll just keep hitting the calls, until it doesn't work. And that's just the grind right there. It's same as when you get the when you break down below the range. You get the sell signal using the Sigma Profit system, and you just start hitting the shorts. That's it. It just takes this one right here, these actually 3 days right here of trading, where you're just going to make essentially the whole month, especially if you do it right. Just trade within the ranges, wait for the range to break out, and trade accordingly. So what we have here is the Sigma Profit system. It is essentially a guide, a map for you to navigate these waters with. That's all we're doing. If you are a brand new trader, this is highly recommended for you to get, because it'll allow you to avoid all the unnecessary pollution that exists out there with professional analysts, quote unquote, influencers telling you what to do, trying to get a learning course and study that for months and months and years, trying to implement whatever you learned from the trading course, and then trial and error from there. If you are a new trader or new to the trading world, we highly recommend that you have this as something that you invested in to help you guide as a tool the markets. It's just as simple as that, and we truly believe that we have something here to help people with. Guys, just give me 1 second. I'm going to take a sip of some water. All right, so that's what's going on with the SPY right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Here we have Bitcoin right here. So what we said was Bitcoin has been trading in this range for about 7 months now. Every time it reaches the top side of the range, you're better off just realizing profits, especially if you took the long call, which came in around 57,300. You can check it out on our website, www.sigmaprofits.com, and just go over to the past trades section. So it was wise to take profits right towards the upper side of the range. Just kind of kick back, let's see what happens, kind of thing. And if you were sidelined, no reason to be getting into this. If you guys noticed on X, it was nothing but constant trying to make you feel like you're just an idiot for not getting into the market right now. Look at all these accounts with over 100K followers. One tip is if they have an exchange shill link in their bio, they're not probably going to be straightforward with you, and they're probably just going to draw some lines on the chart. They're going to do it in a way where you're always going to rely on their next tweet or update or whatever. And they expect you to sign up to an exchange. That way the exchange knows how much liquidity these guys are bringing in based off their influence. And then that's how they start farming and harvesting these sheeps for their money, their hard-earned money. So if you have the Sigma profit system, you know we're within a range for months now. You know that, you know what, there's no reason for me to even, at that point, 67,000 had to have been taken out for you to even consider continuation on this long or bullish, little 2-week phase or whatever we had. So what are we looking at right now? We're looking simply to see if we can go ahead and maybe test 61.5, 62K, kind of see what's going on from there. As always, the new daily open is going to update these data points. And yeah, very simple, guys, very simple. Let's just wait and see what happens. If we can break this top side of the range, we will fly. Perfect example, we break the top side of the range right here, and you were able to manage risk all along the way being above the range. And then we got this no trade situation where you would just exit. What else would somebody want? You don't even have to trade futures. You can just trade spot. You bought one Bitcoin on the break, and then you went up about 30K. And then you took the rest of the summer off. And now we're just waiting for the range to break up again, start buying spot, or just accumulate on these bottom side of the ranges. I mean, this is the Sigma Profits trading system. It is $249 a month. You can get it from www.sigmaprofits.com. We believe that this is actually doing good for the trading community. We're not here to try to LARP as some kind of geniuses or, some sort of oracle. We are just trying to provide new traders and existing traders who haven't found their edge yet to be able to trade a system that allows you to be able to backtest and see what your statistics and probabilities are of entering a trade. Is it going to go into your favor? Some metrics to watch, all in a very easy, minimal learning curve product here. So go ahead and go to our website, guys. And again, once you guys sign up for this, keep in mind, you guys are available to DM us at any time. We can coach you along the way. We can offer you perspectives. We can tell you things. You guys can reach out to us anytime. We are just not interested in creating a group, because a group will just create too many opinions. And that's just not going to be beneficial for people who want to be able to trade independently. Our goal is to create independent traders, not to be gaslit by someone where you're on the top side of the range and all weekend long they're trying to shame you into not max porting long or just buying full, degen right at the top of side of the range. We don't do that. That's not the business that we're in, and we're not interested in suckering people like that. So this is it, guys. It's going to be a quick update. Not really much to say. It's pretty self-explanatory. We can get a situation. We can definitely get a situation just for perspective. Not saying it's going to happen, where we can possibly come down here, go up higher to that 67K top side of the range area, possibly put in some bearish divergence, and then see what's going on. So we would just want to see some higher highs, and then just pick any oscillator you want and see if there's a lower high. But you don't even need to do that with this system. With this system, you will start seeing emergency candles coming up where you shouldn't be in the trade after that. And then you'll get a sell signal right here, a sell setup. A red candle will allow you to create opportunities for the short side, or to sell and just go in USDT mode in stables, What you can also do is if you get a buy or sell signal, you can just go and look for coin options, ticker coin, and play the option side like that. Just pick up some calls if we break it, pick up some shorts, some puts if we get a sell signal. As of right now, everything is still okay. It's just that it was better to take profits on a long right here, and you could always re-enter back on a break above. But why give anything back? Or why FOMO into a long right here? There's no reason. This is why we are trying to give you perspective on where these top sides are coming in at. So that's it, guys. Check us out on X at Sigma Profits. You're welcome to DM us on there. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube. And yeah, visit us at sigmaprofits.com. It is $249 a month. That's the Sigma Profit system, and this is right here. So we are showing to you that all we do is use the system to make our trades, to give our analysis and opinions on the market, and we hope that over time this creates some consistency, and new traders are able to run into us and be able to use the system to not have to go years and years into taking a course or anything like that. So take care, guys, and we will be back tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.